Hello, guys. It's Cherie and Macy. And Macy still loves her. I gotta clean it. I wash this thing and wash it. And it gets dirty from her slava. Sorry. I know that's gross. But there's Macy. She still loves her ice cream cone. Try not to go too fast to make you dizzy. All right, sit down, Macy, so we can see Cherie. I just thought I would come on real quick and let you see these two, but the main thing I come on for, I've been searching the doll videos on YouTube, and I hardly ever see any Ashton Drake dolls. We see gobs of, just bukus of reborns, naturally. And we see quite a few Paradise Galleries. But there's not a whole lot of Ashton Drake videos. So I'm going to put a challenge out there to you that has Ashton Drake dolls. Let's flood YouTube. This is Friday. Let's do it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's flood YouTube with Ashton Drake dolls. If you have any Ashton Drake dolls, put up a video sharing your Ashton Drake dolls. One at a time, so there'll be a lot of different videos with Ashton Drake babies in it. And when you do your video, let everyone know I'm doing this challenge to see how many Ashton Drake dolls videos that we can get up between now and midnight Sunday. Today is, I'm going to try not to move the camera too much, but I want to turn around here to today's the 9th of August. Between the time you see this video on the 9th of August to midnight Central Time on the 11th of August, let's see how many Ashton Drake videos that we can get up. The reason I'm doing this is because, like I said, I hardly ever see Ashton Drake dolls videos, like box openings or just videos of changing Ashton Drake dolls or whatever. I hardly ever see it, and I would love to see which dolls you have, what you think about them. I just love to see more Ashton Drake dolls. So, and I would like for you to tag me in the title and just put, let's see. Let's hashtag it Ashton Drake Explosion. I will have that in the title, and you can just copy and paste it, put that in your title, and then tag me and ask your viewers if they have Ashton Drake dolls to put out videos showing their Ashton Drake dolls with me tagged in it, because I'm wanting to see how many we can get out there. Will y'all do that for me? All right. I'm looking forward to seeing your Ashton Drake babies. I'm going to let you go for now. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. And we're going to end this video with one more throw of the toy for Macy. I didn't do too good a job of throwing it. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. Hope you all will join in with me. I'm looking forward to it, and I will talk with you all later. Bye. You telling them bye? Macy's saying bye, guys. Actually, she's saying throw my toy. That's what she's actually saying. Okay, bye, guys.